Hello everyone. Today I will explain about some dimension. Okay. Uh, some dimensioning information I will give today because dimension also a little bit important. So I have added the topic here. And in annotate, here is the option called aligned, linear, angular. Every dimensions are available in. If you click the aligned, you can give the dimension. Okay. You can see from here to here. Can give. You can modify the dimensions. You can modify the dimension color also. I will explain further. Okay. I'm already explained everything in my channel. You can check on the previous webinars. You will get all the information. And here is option called linear. So select a reference, then click the empty space. So I want to like that. I need dimension from here to here. You can see it is the use of the linear. Okay, you can see if you just place the mouse, place a horizontal or vertical dimension that measure the distance between the reference points. Linear is only for some reference point only. So you can see aligned. You can note down also, place a dimension between parallel reference or between multiple points. We are using aligned uh, most of the times. You can see how easily you can do the measurement. Okay, so and another one is angular. Okay, angular is nothing but, so you can check, place a dimension that measure the angle between. Okay, so here is the option called, where is the angular? So because it is not the proper way of creating the drawing, so I'm just showing randomly from this to this. You can see the angle between 2 points. You can see I'm already created, so one more time I'm creating. Okay, so you can check, is it working? Yeah, this one also working. You can see here the angle between 2 points. If you uh, trim the object, you can see if possible. So just check. Yeah, you can see it is our center point और द एंटर पॉइंट. सो आप इधर देख सकते हैं, मैंने इसको इस लाइन को एक्सटेंड किया हूँ. जो इधर का एंगल आएगा वो हमारा इधर दिखा रहा है. ये बहुत रेविट बहुत एडवांसली काम करता है, देख सकते हैं इधर 6 डिग्री. कैन चेक एनोटेट एंड एंगुलर फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. कैन सी 6 डिग्री. how easy. And it's a radial. You can check the radius of the circle. So it is ellipse, you cannot check. You can see here the radius 14.22. I'm already checked. So how easy. You can click any point within fraction of a second. You can give it is creating some designs here. So it's and one more option called diameter. Just click the circle. You can see in middle showing 28.43. Any circle is there? So no. Okay, then it's arc length dimension. So like any arc is there? Yes, here is one more arc, first point and second point. You can see 32.37. The 2 points, for the arc length you can use the arc length dimension. Okay, it's nothing but a spot elevation. Here it's not usable. In 3D it's usable. You can see spot elevation, EL for spot elevation. You can place the spot elevation in plan views, elevation views and 3D views. So I am not created any 3D view. If you go with the 3D views and go to annotate spot elevation, you can see here the 4 meter height. You can see, if you have any doubt in 4 meter, go to east elevation, check the level. Yes, it's 4 meter. How easy to work in Revit. So that's why I'm using the Revit. So go to annotate and spot coordination. here is showing the spot coordination. So spot coord, you can see, you can check the any foundation, any lines. First you have to align the coordination first, but it's a random, it's showing the spot coordinate north and east elevation. You can see a spot elevation in 3D it's showing, but we don't have any drawing to show how it's look like. You can see here in the spot elevation the display is showing, display the slope at specific point on a space or an edge of a model element. आप इधर देख सकते हैं जो स्पॉट एलिवेशन कैसे आप लोगों को दिखाता है बोल के, और जो इसका एलिवेशन कितना है वो स्पॉट एलिवेशन में बहुत आसानी तरीके से आप लोगों को दिख जाएगा। और भी इसमें बहुत सारा ऑप्शन है, मैं उसको बाद में आराम से कवर करूँगा, इसका जल्दबाजी नहीं है। पूरा का पूरा रेविट स्ट्रक्चर में सब आ जाएगा। मैं ऑलरेडी एक बार रेविट को पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूँ, आप चाहिए तो मेरे वेबिनार में जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। पूरा रेविट मैं ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूँ, मेरा वेबिनार में आप देख सकते हैं। और आज के लिए इतना रखते हैं, विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो हाउ टू क्रिएट ग्रिड्स, levels etc, and yeah, we'll continue the creating some like, okay, thank you guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel also, that is more important, because I'm working for you selflessly, so you have to support endlessly. Thank you.